Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the properties, measurements, and relationships of shapes and spaces. Mastering geometry involves not only understanding theorems and formulas but also developing the ability to visualize spatial relationships. Whether you're a student, an aspiring architect, or someone who simply wants to appreciate the beauty of geometry, here's a guide to help you master geometry and enhance your spatial visualization skills. 1. Understand basic concepts. Before diving into more complex geometric principles, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals. Start with basic concepts such as points, lines, angles, and shapes. Familiarize yourself with terms like parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and congruent angles. Establishing a solid foundation in elementary geometry will make it easier to tackle more advanced topics. 2. Learn and memorize key theorems. Geometry is built upon a series of theorems that describe relationships between geometric entities. Memorizing these theorems provides a framework for solving problems. Some essential theorems include the Pythagorean theorem, the triangle sum theorem, and the properties of similar triangles. Regularly reviewing and applying these theorems in different contexts will reinforce your understanding. 3. Practice with diagrams. Geometry is inherently visual, so practice solving problems with the help of diagrams. Drawings can provide valuable insights and help you visualize geometric relationships. When given a problem, start by sketching the shapes and marking known information. This approach not only aids in problem solving but also enhances spatial awareness. 4. Use visualization tools. Take advantage of technology to enhance your spatial visualization skills. Geometry software, graphing calculators, and online tools allow you to interact with geometric figures dynamically. Experimenting with these tools can provide a deeper understanding of how shapes and angles behave in different scenarios. 5. Work on spatial puzzles and challenges. Engage in spatial puzzles and challenges to sharpen your geometric intuition. Activities like solving tangram puzzles, constructing geometric models, and playing with 3D shapes can improve your ability to mentally manipulate and visualize spatial configurations. These challenges add a playful element to your learning process. 6. Explore three-dimensional geometry. Move beyond the flat surface and explore three-dimensional geometry. Understand the properties of cubes, spheres, pyramids, and cylinders. Visualize how these shapes can be unfolded, sliced, or combined to form new configurations. Three-dimensional thinking is essential for various fields, including architecture, engineering, and computer graphics. 7. Connect geometry to real-world applications. Geometry is not just an abstract concept. It has practical applications in the real world. Explore how geometry is used in architecture, design, physics, and engineering. Understanding the real-world relevance of geometric principles can motivate your learning and help you appreciate the importance of spatial relationships in everyday life. 8. Experiment with transformations. Geometric transformations, such as translations, rotations, reflections, and dilations, play a crucial role in understanding how shapes change. Experiment with these transformations to see how they affect the position, size, and orientation of geometric figures. This hands-on approach reinforces the concept of symmetry and helps develop your spatial reasoning skills. 9. Break down complex problems. When faced with complex geometric problems, break them down into smaller, more manageable parts. Solve each part individually, and then combine the solutions to tackle the overall problem. This systematic approach prevents overwhelm and allows you to focus on understanding the specific geometric relationships involved. 10. Seek additional resources. Supplement your learning with additional resources such as geometry textbooks, online tutorials, and interactive courses. Different perspectives and explanations can provide alternative insights, helping you grasp challenging concepts. Additionally, consider joining geometry forums or study groups to exchange ideas and seek clarification on specific topics. Conclusion. Mastering geometry is a journey that involves both theoretical understanding and practical application. By embracing the visual nature of geometry, practicing with diagrams, exploring real-world applications, and utilizing technological tools, you can enhance your spatial visualization skills. Remember that geometry is not just a set of rules to memorize. It's a dynamic and creative field that invites you to explore the beauty of shapes and spaces. So, pick up your compass, ruler, and imagination, and embark on the exciting adventure of mastering geometry.